Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how the Soviet Union broke up step by step. Start by tracking political leadership, economic strains, and national movements in sequence. I will walk you through key events from leadership changes to reforms, national declarations, and final legal steps that ended the Union. Stay with me to understand causes, pivotal months, and how international and internal pressures combined to produce the breakup. In this video, I will explain how the Soviet Union broke up step by step. Focus now on reforms that shifted power and expectations across the state. I will explain how economic restructuring and openness exposed weaknesses, allowed dissent, and empowered republic leaders. You will hear how attempts to modernize the system accelerated political fragmentation, why central directives lost force, and how political reforms unintentionally fueled independence movements. In this video, I will explain how the Soviet Union broke up step by step. Now consider national movements that pushed republics toward independence. I will describe how declarations of sovereignty, mass protests, and ethnic conflicts raised stakes rapidly. Learn how republic leaders used legal steps and popular mobilization to assert autonomy, how resource and economic disputes strengthened local resolve, and why these movements made a negotiated union collapse increasingly unlikely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.